In this video, you will learn the notes of the alto and tenor clef. The alto clef. The alto clef is used for the viola. The alto clef is also known as a C clef because it indicates where middle C is on the staff. The lines of the notes on the alto clef are F, A, C, E, and G. A good way of remembering this is using the phrase, "Fat alley cats eat garbage." The spaces of the notes on the alto clef are G, B, D, and F. They can also be remembered by a phrase, "Good bakers deserve fudge." The tenor clef. The tenor clef is used for the cello, bassoon, euphonium, double bass, and tenor trombone, where the notes go above the bass clef. Because the tenor clef is also a C clef, it shows where middle C is located. The lines of the notes on the tenor clef are D, F, A, C, and E. The phrase for this one is Dodges, Fords, and Chevys everywhere. The spaces of the notes on the tenor clef are E, G, B, and D. The phrase for this one is 11 good big donuts. You may also see older choral music using a C clef to show the different voices in a choir. This is a soprano clef. This is the mezzo-soprano clef, the alto clef, the tenor clef, and finally the baritone clef. These days, the tenors use an octave clef. It is a treble clef with either an 8 below or two treble clefs really close together. They all indicate that notes sound an octave lower than written. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.